numbers are to be filled into 4 by 4 matrix as shown below, such that there's one number in each box of the matrix, not necessarily in any order. A few of these 16 numbers are already shown in the boxes. The remaining 12 numbers are denoted with 12 alphabets A to L. The numbers are filled in the boxes in such a way that the sum of the numbers in the boxes of any row, any column, any diagonal of the square matrix is same. So if you talk about a diagonal, you talk about a column, you talk about a row, the sum comes out to be same. And D plus E plus I comes out to be 60. Fine. D plus E plus I is coming out to be 60. I can see the smallest numbers which is visible to us is 13 and the largest number is 16. You know, if I exclude the first 12 number, I know 1 to 28, there are 28 numbers. 1 to 12, there are 12 numbers. If I exclude them, there are 16 numbers which are there. So I would say the smallest number must be coming out to be 13 and this is the largest number which is coming here. Fine. Now what? I'll say the sum of the values in a diagonal 13 plus D plus I plus 28 is coming out to be how much? You know the minimum number is 13. So the numbers are 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 27, 28. So the sum of a pair, you know, they are consecutive numbers. The sum of pair is 41 and there are 16 such numbers. So can I say there are 8 such pairs which are going to form? I hope you understand. 17 plus 14, 13 plus 28, 26 plus 15. All of them are coming out to be 41. So there are 8 such pairs which are there. So this will be the total sum of values. And there are 4 columns. So each column comes out to be 82. The sum of the values in each column comes out to be 82. I believe it is clear. And the diagonal also, it is coming out to be 82. So can I say it is 13 plus D plus I plus 28 is equal to 82. So I'll say D plus I is coming out to be 41. This is 41. Fine. But we know that D plus I plus E is equal to 60. That is given here. Can I say from that, I can say E is coming out to be 19 here? I believe it is clear that the value of E is coming out to be 19 here. ठीक है, यहां तक आपको कोई दुविधा हो, कुछ पूछना चाहें तो आप पूछ सकते हैं. So let's come to this part. So what I do here is now look at this diagonal, the another diagonal here. 16 plus 25 is 41 plus 19 is 16 plus H is equal to 82. So this is 22. Fine. So the value is coming out to be 22 here. H comes out to be 22. We have got all these values. यहाँ तक हमारे पास सारी values आ चुकी हैं. Now, as I said, the summation of these values is 82. Summation of these value will be also 82. So I can find out what is the sum of these two values. What is 13 plus 25? That is 38. Plus 4 is 42. Can I say the summation of them is 44? Here, 16 plus 28 is 34, 44. 44, and I will say this is 38. Clear? Why? Because it is coming out to be what? It is coming out to be 82 here. So 16 plus 28 is 44. So I can say this is 38 is the value which is coming here. Fine. Now, can I also find out the summation of these two values? 16 plus 13 is 29, and the summation is, should I say it is 53 is the summation that is coming? Similarly, the sum of these value 25 plus 28 is what? This is 53. 82 minus 53 is coming out to be 29. I'll say that is 29 is the value which is coming. I believe it is clear to all of you now. I cannot take these one because only one value is given. Here also I cannot take it. Here also I cannot take it. So I will not consider them, but the rest of the value, whatever I can do, I can consider those values here. I believe it is clear to all of you. Any more query that you have, you can ask. Any question here? Anything you wish to ask? So let's start with this part. I can say C plus G is equal to 44. So can I say if I take up the value of C and G, what is the value that I can take? 40 plus 30 is not possible. Can I take the largest value is 27 and the smallest value will come out to be 17. So I can say 27, 17. I reduce one, I increase another. I reduce one, I increase another. I reduce one, I increase other. I reduce one, I increase other. I cannot try 22, 22 because two numbers cannot be same. 22 has already, sorry, 19 has already come, so I'll say this is not possible. Fine. And 13 or what number I have taken, 16 or 25 or 28. These are the only number coming. So I'll say, okay, this is the only combination which is not possible. The other combinations may come there. These are the values which may come there. Fine. Now, moving to the next part of this. I also know that A plus B is equal to 53. So a very large number. So what are the possible values of A and B? Of course, they can also interchange. So don't think C can be 17, 27 and G is 17. They can also interchange their position. Fine. So one of them is 17 and second is 27. So don't consider it to be only this order. They may exchange their values as well. So here I can say one is 27 very high. So can I say the other is 26? That comes out to be 53. Is there any possible such value that I can take? C, because it is coming out to be 19 plus 50. Sorry, I think there's some problem. It is 29 plus X is equal to 82. So 30 hoga to ye 52, 53 is the value which is going to come there. Is it fine? 82 is the value coming out. 82 mein se aapne 29 is what you subtracted. So it is coming out to be 53 is the summation. Can I say 27, 26 are the only values which are coming here? So I'll say, okay, A and B can be 27, 26 or 26, 27. No other values can come there because 26, 27 are very large values. From this combination, if you don't mind, can I say if 27, 26 are going to come here, I cannot have 27, 17 or 26, 18. So the possibility here are 24, 20 and 23, 21. I believe it is clear. Anyone, any doubt here? Is that clear? So I cannot take 27, 17. I cannot take 26, 18. I cannot take 25, 19. So these are the only two values which can come here. I believe it is clear. Thank you. Aitya, it is not clear. Aitya, A and B summation is 53. Is it clear? The largest value is 28. I can only take the value as a 27, 26 here. So I know AB is 27, 26 coming here. तो यहाँ पर जो हमने combination लिया था कि अगर ये 27 होगा तो ये कितना होगा, that combination will ruled out because 27 is already going here. So C or G cannot be 27. I cannot take it as a 26 and 18 because 26 is either A or B. That's why I eliminated these values. Is that fine? I'm writing 19 and 25, but 19 is E. That's why I eliminated it. So there are two possibilities, 24, 20 and 23, 21. Is it clear now? Fine. Okay. So C and G, that is 24 and 20 and 23 and 21. Fine, these are the only two values that can be possible there. Of course, interchanging, if you want, you can also interchange. So not to worry, these are the possible values that you can take. Fine, let's move ahead. आगे चलते हैं. Now this is 38. Let's look at KL. The summation is very low. I can say K plus L is 29 Can I say KL can be 14, 15 or 15, 14? These are the only two possible values here. Fine. So I think this is clear. This is also clear. Let's come to the FJ. So it is 27 is one. I cannot take 27, 26. 25, can I take 25? 25 also I cannot take because 25 is already present here. Can I take 24? Yes. Why can't I can take 24? So can I say it is 24 and 14 here? Okay, but it cannot be 24 and 14 because 14 is K. Can I take it as a 23 and 15? No. Why? Because 15 is also K. Out of K and L, one is 14 and 15. Can I say it is 22 and this is 16? Fine. But do you find 22 number there? Yes, H is 22. I'll cancel out this as well. Can I say it is 21 and 17? 21 and 17 can be there. Yes. 21 and 17 can be there. This is one possibility. Can I say it is 20 and 18?
Is used for A and B.
Sorry?
17 is used in A and B, so cannot use 17-1.
Where is used? 17?
Okay. In A and B. Oh, no, sorry, it was 27. Oh, thank you.
That was 27. So 20 and 18, can it be 20 and 18? I can say 20 is here, but 18 may come. It is need not to be 20. There's maybe 23 and 21. So I will say, okay, this combination is not possible here. Let's talk about the other one. Can I take 19, 19? No. So what is finally left here for FJ? FJ, it is 21, 17, 20, 18, 18, 20, 17, and 21. Fine. These are the possible value of FJ that I can take here. I believe this is clear to you. Fine. So these are the possibility, these four possibilities are coming there. Let's do the same thing for DI. What are the possible values of DI? My dear, DI, I know it is 13 plus 28 is 41. So can I say DI, D plus I will be 41. So if it is 41, what are the values that I can take? I cannot take 28, 27, 26, 25. So 24 से चालू करते हैं, सबसे आसान यही रहता है. So plus 7, 24, 17, 23, 18, 22, 19, 21, 20. These are the values that I can take. And reverse also you can do it. These are the values that we can take here. So DI are these values you can surely take here. Now, can you take, look at the numbers here now. So 17, 18 aa gaya hai, 24 aa sakta hai, 24 and 17 are the number which are possible there. So yes, we cannot take 19 because E is 19. So I'll eliminate this. This option is also eliminated. Can we take any other number? 22, we nahi le sakte, 19, 22 is not there valid. So I'll say the possibilities are these 6 here. Is that fine? Anyone? I cannot also take 21 and 20. Look here. Why? Because out of C and G, one of them is either 20, 24 or 21, 23. So I cannot take 20, 21. This is also ruled out. Do you understand? Because out of C and G, one is 20 or 21. एक को आना ही है 20 या 21. ऐसे ही एक को 23, 24 आना है, तो this is also ruled out. Are you getting it? So one of them is 20 if it is coming out to be 20. So I'll say that is ruled out. So 24, sorry. These are the possibilities which were written there. As I was telling you that you take any of the combination, you will surely have 20, 21 में से एक number आएगा ही आएगा. So I'll cancel 20, 21 here. So what are the possible of DI which is left here? 24, 17, 23, 18, and you can also reverse them. Or 22, 19 is not possible. So I'll say 18 and 23 and 17 and 24. I believe it is clear to you. Fine. So it can be 20, 24. Here it will be 18, 23. That will come here. So what are the combination of C, G, di. In one, I can take 24, 20, and this is 18 and 23, or 23 and 18. I believe it is clear. The second combination that will come here is, it will be 20, 24, 23 and 18, and 20, 24, 18 and 23. Is it fine? हाँ पूछिए, बोलिए.
Hello.
Which are left to us, and we need to get the answers from them. Let's take this as a 14 or 15. That is what was given here. And I think D, E, I, they are already given. So can I take it as a 24 or 17 or 23? Okay, or 18. These are the possible values. को यहीं छोड़ देना. Let's come to the question, because maybe in the question they are giving you some value. How many numbers in the given matrix are numerically greater than the number denoted by C? Number denoted by C. What is the possible value of C here? क्या C की कोई possible value? Can we find out the possible value of C here? So here we go. ये 19 रखा हुआ है. I'll take the value as a 24. This is 20. Let's assume this first combination here. If it is 24 and 20, as we already said, D and I, जो combination होगा, that will be 23 and 18 में से. So D and I is 23 and 18. Is that fine? So what are the possible combinations which are going to come here? It is 24, 23, 18, 19, and F is the value which is going to come there. FG की value, FJ की value be 21, 17, 20, 18 है. When you have already taken 20, listen to this one. 20 is already used here. So 20, 18 nahi hoga, it will be 21, 17 is the value which is coming out. I'll say it is 21 and 17. Let's take the value so that their summation will come out to be 30, 40, sorry, what was that? 82 will be the summation of these values. So आपने लिया 24, आपने लिया 23, that comes out to be 47, plus 19, that will come out to be 66. 66 plus 21 or 66 plus 17 will not be equal to 82. तो आपका ये combination खराब हो गया है. So what I can take now there is, I will take 24, 18, which comes out to be 32, 42. तो ये आ गया. अगर ये 42 आ गया, 19 में क्या add करूं so that it will be coming out to be 40. So 19 and 21 will be the two values which are coming here. It is already 19 and this is coming out to be 21. Is it fine? Is it clear? Everyone present there? देखो हमें इसका combination बनाना है. हमने पहला combination लिया कि say this is 24, this is 20. So we have taken it as a 21 plus 19 and this comes out to be 18 here. Once you know that the value is coming out to be 18 here, I know it is 14 or 15. So 18 plus 22 is coming out to be how much? 40 plus 14 is 54. 54 में कितना add करूं so that it becomes 82? I can say 28 is a value which is to be added, which is not possible. 28 तो आई गया है यहाँ पर. Can I take it as a 27? So I'll say yes if it is coming out to be 15. Look here, this will come out to be 14 and this comes out to be 27. I hope you understand it now. Is that fine? If you are taking 14 here, it is coming out to be 28. 28 तो जा चुका था, that was the largest number. So I'll say 27, 18, 22 and 15 is a combination. Because of that, I will say this is coming out to be 14 here. Because K and L are coming out to be 14 and 15 there. Anyone, any doubt? Okay. Now it is 14, this is 19. I know it cannot be 18 because 18 is already gone here. I hope you can see that. So this comes out to be 19, 23 plus 14. 9 plus 3 is 2 plus 4 is 6. And this is coming out to be 56. 56 में कितना add करूं so that it will be 82? Can I say 26 is to be added here? I'll say yes, 26 thigh A plus B was coming out to be 27, 26. That is also known to us. I believe it is clear. Now, this particular value is 21. F and J. F and J is 21. Can I say this comes out to be 17? I got all these values now. You can cross check it. Any doubt, any question that you have, you can ask. 25 plus 19 is coming out to be 34, 44. 44 plus 16 is 50, 60. 60 plus 22 is 82. Yes, that is also satisfied. You can cross check all of these values and do let me know if there is any doubt. we cancel this 18. Reason is 18 is coming here. That's why I am talking about this value to be 23. So all of these values are known to us. So if you are going to fit in the values like this, you will certainly going to get the answer. Any query, please ask. Fit बैठ गया. कुछ लोग बोल रहे हैं सर इसको 20 and 24 ले सकते हैं. बिल्कुल ले सकते हैं. You can also take it as a 20 and 24. I know this is 19 coming out. You will be also putting the values there. वहां से जो combination आता है वो combination try करके देखिए. Anyone? Now look at the question. How many numbers are given matrix are numerically greater than the number denoted by C? So C is 24. How many numbers are greater than that? 25, 26, 27, 28. There are 4 numbers which are more than that. The first will be correct answer. Find the numerical value of A plus I and B plus H. Difference between them. A plus I. A plus I is 27 plus 23 is 50. And B plus H. 26 plus 22. That is coming out to be 48. The difference between them is 2. If we were to construct another 4x4 matrix containing 16 consecutive natural number having the same property as the matrix given above, then which of the following can be the sum of the number in the boxes of any one row? Now it is given the minimum number that you are going to take is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till n. 16 consecutive numbers are there. Fine. So I'll say, no, sorry, any of the number can be there. A plus 1, A plus 2, A plus 3, till A plus 15. These are the 16 consecutive numbers. Sum of every pair is coming out to be same. I hope you understand that. Pair is 22A plus 15 by 2 and there are 16 numbers such. So I'll say 8 multiplying it is 16A plus 120 is a value. 16A plus 120 is the summation of these values. Fine. The sum of the numbers in any row I'll divide it by 4. So I'll say it is 4A plus 30 is the sum of the value in a row. So which of them following can be the sum? I know this is not ending with 0, not ending with 0, not ending with 0. This is the only possible combination that we can. Is that fine, clear here? I believe it is clear. Let's move to the next one. Reason is 4A plus 30 जो होना चाहिए, अगर ये 116 आ रहा है, तो 30 करा, ठीक है, that comes out to be 86. Then you will divide it. Fine. So this is 86 divided by 4. That will give you the answer. फिर next try करोगे, वैसे भी आप देख रहे हो 4A plus 30. So which of the value which is satisfying in that criteria? So I'll say that is coming out to be 4A plus 30 is equal to a value which is going to satisfy here. You can also try out the next value which is 144. 86 divide नहीं होता 4 से, इसलिए cancel out हो गया. 30 करोगे तो ये कितना हो जाएगा? 114 divided by 4. A is not coming out to be integral value. Fine. Next is 4A plus 30 is equal to 168. So it is 138 divided by 4. Can I take it as a 138? No. So now you do with 4A plus 30. What is the value that is coming out to be 170? 4A is coming out to be 140. A is coming out to be 35. I will say yes, this is possible. That's why I have taken the value. Find how many pair of numbers are there in the given matrix such that both the numbers in the pair belong to either the same or row or same column or same diagonals of the square matrix, and absolute difference between the number present in the pair is not less than 12. So I want the difference to be 12 or more than 12. So just pick up those values. I think you can do it. So in this column, pick up any of the two values where the difference is coming out to be 12 or more than 12. So I'll say this is not 12. This is 12. So 13 and 25 is this column. So you have to check the column, you have to check the row and the diagonal as well. Fine. So I think you can do that mashakkat wala kaam. So let's come to the last question here.